It's me again. I'm going to show you what I've been doing here. And this might be the last time I'll make a video of this until I'm finish each one. So look down and, well, I'll turn this down here and I'll show you. This is my pile of, what do you call it? Star buds. This one is a nice one, but here's the problem. It's broken right here, but it's doable. So this one, the problem is one of the wires is, there's a few wires in here that are torched, so this one has to be fixed. Has a few minor problems. So this one I'm going to fix and recover. So we got that one. I have this one, which I recovered and basically just looks ugly. But I mean, it just needs to be cleaned. I want to take it apart and cover this and maybe try to find something to go in here. But this one's pretty much done. This is for that's for an 86 or 87. The other one over there, which is in pristine condition but broken, I think is I'll tell you what year that is. That's for an 85 or for a TRX. This one is a genuine Honda one. This is getting a complete rewire. This is going to get wired onto a new harness, and I had to measure the size of the wires. This is an 85 one. I'm going to cannibalize because it's got a small problem with the wire. I might cannibalize it, I might not, but it has some decent bones. It's intact here, needs a little part there, so that one I'm going to clean it up, see how it works, how it goes. This one's in good shape, but the problem is trying to get the wire through here to put it back together. This one as you can see, I cleaned the backside. I'll do the front. I'll take it apart. Once I get the wires done, I'll take it all apart. That's my other one. I'll finish putting the wiring cover on that one. I also have this is a sacrificial one from a TRX. Basically, I'm going to lop this off and start over it. Because I don't need I want the front, plus I want this part. This switch I don't really like. But there's a few parts, like the screws I'll use. And also there's a difference with the backings. If anybody notices. This one says TSZ here. I'll show you the difference. Actually, does this one have it? There's two different backings on these things. There's one where the screw is higher, and one there's a screw is lower. See the difference? That's the different ones. You can't mix and match these. I think these are later. So I have one of those. This is, in fact, I should just cut it up now. It's another one. I have a couple of back ones. Yeah, there's also a different, see, these are the longer ones. The sides are different also. You can see the difference in right here. I think the TRX is used, I think it's one, wait, use the other ones. Because this one here, see? This is longer on here. These are for a TRX, but the side part's shorter. I have a bunch of back covers. See, this is a Foreman 400 one. It has it's like this also. But this has the little clip on here. It has that little clip that I want that goes on there. This one, some of these are completely murdered. See, like this one's fine, but it's got a nice Destructicon right on here. It's all kaboomed. But the pins and this little piece, this is all scavenging off this one, if it's nice. All the little switches are in here. I also got some of them because see how nice and pretty the red switch is on that one? See the yellow? It's more like that's the color it's supposed to be, and that's the color it faded to. But I got some other ones. Like, look, that's the color it's supposed to be, and that's the color it shows up as. It's pretty gross. The little switches here, these ones I've yet, the inner switches there, I've yet to figure out how to take them apart. Where is it? There's a, I just cut them off here. I think there's a solder, there should be solder on the back, I think. Actually, it's inside the switch. I figured out how to get them out, but I haven't figured out how to get them out so they look pretty, because they're pretty much like snapped in. I also got the front little switch, 2 blobs of solder. There's the off and on one. That's parts. There's a bag. Another one. I'm gonna see which ones are. See, like some of these are pretty nice, and some of these get a little nicer if I clean it up a little with that. If I wash it off. Some of them you just rub them and they become a little brighter. Also, the little metal plates inside. Some of them are all not rusted out. Like these ones, these things, some of them are, you can tell somebody swamp bogged these things because, man, some of them are abused. And here's another. See, they come in all crusty forms. Or like those ones are crusty. This one I cleaned off and used plastic restorer. It looks a little better. That one says Foreman on it. And this one is, I think this one's plastic. No, it's not it. This one I was playing, had an experiment. I was trying to get it to work, but it looks kind of sloppy. I colored it with marker and put plastic restorer on it. It has this weird hue to it, but it's in good shape. So I have, these are 86 ones here. See, it's still doable. I just gotta get maybe some black ink or something. Put it back in there. But that's what I got for now. Yeah, one more here. Oh, that's not it. This is the perfect one. That one in the bag is, this is we'll go on 86. This is an 86 one, and I got a rebuild in an 85 one, which is right here. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm just taking the nicest of the nice and putting them back together. Maybe I'll sell off the rest. Let's see, some of them are, this one's like been, I don't know, maybe ground off, that one. This one fits. This one is longer for some reason. Yeah, this one does not fit on here. This, I don't know what it's for, but it's got a longer, this little piece is longer right here. So I have a bunch of pieces, and I'm gonna work to put them all together. The other thing I'm going to do, actually I'll put all the parts in one bag because I don't need them all in 6 different bags. I'm also going to keep, let me get wire cutters, right back. Let's see, I'll put this in the bag here. These all can go in the bag. It's going to get more left. There's that. Did I throw that one in the garbage too? I think so. This is, see, these are nice switches, so I'm gonna resolder them. Like this. Ta-da, ta-da. There. This one's kind of toast. I'll reuse that. Cut all the switches off. That's supposed to be yellow. Can you tell it's yellow? Look. See the difference? I don't know if you can see that. The side part is yellow and the front is completely white. That's what I noticed too. These brand new Chinesium copies, if they made them a little, like, they're not bad, but the switches suck. They're so, I'm gonna show you. They don't look the same. Like they're too rounded. The genuine Honda ones are square, and they're kind of a shade off. But hey, they're the same color, but the internals are not the same quality. And even you can't even read. Like I probably could rewire it to, but they just don't look the same. I don't like the look. I bought 2 of them just to see. I might use, see, because I got this one, 15 bucks. See, I might take, seeing as this isn't too bad, it works. You know, it's, I don't know how long it's gonna last, but I might take this and use it and do like the dude online did, and use it on the TRX 70. Not the ATC 70. The little mod for it. Can't be that. I say that now, but I'm gonna kick myself in the ass later when I say it can't be too complicated. But yeah, it can. So I'll finish cutting these off here. That in there. Also, these rubber pieces are reusable. Put this right here. I also went online and I bought similar color. What is it? Makes the wire. Shindy. Shindy makes the appropriate colors for these. And somebody was asking me, why do you want the same colors? Because, well, it's kind of easier to match when you have they're not all the same, but they have some of the similar marks on it, and they sell them they're like $9 for 13-foot long pieces. So I bought one of each of the appropriate color. I'll measure off that one and I'll put them all together. I also picked up the what do you call it? I picked up the connector and the little ends that go inside here. Not this one per se, but these are, I'll use these. These are from, this is for a TRX. I'll keep this one anyway. Who knows, I might need it. This is junk. 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 But these, see, I don't know if you can see this, but there's like a red, black with a line, red with a line. These ones, see all the different dots? Oh, they still make the wire like that. So I got it so it kind of matches. With that said, yeah, this one sucks. I mean, it doesn't suck, but it sucks. Look at this. It's like, that thing is in minty condition. And that one little piece broke. So I don't know. I'll recover it. And I gotta put this wire back on. It came off. This one came off. But I'm probably gonna steal the switch off of this one and put on the other one, because look how nice it is. It's a nice color. They're also, the switches are different too. On the 85s, the switch has got like a little step thing in here. It's like little grips. And the later ones are a little smoother. You can see. So they become the switch master, I guess, in some respect. But I'm going to start assembling bikes soon. After all this junk is put away. I should put this in a thing somewhere. Put that over there. This is parts. Let me see. This one is the wrong one also. Okay, this is hunk of junk. I don't need this piece. I'll take this part right here. And I don't need all this. All I want is this. Wrong bike, wrong connector. There's that. This one I'm gonna see. This one I'm gonna clean off. I might be able to get, if I clean this off, see, because I cleaned off some of the side, and it looks like it might clean up. It just needs some soap and water and a scrub brush. But see, when I said the inner pieces are like rusty and crusty, like this little screw here, pin is rusty. And if these ones have a good pin on there, I'll change it up. But this is a short one. So let me put this in a bag so I don't wreck it. I'll put that little piece. There it is. Put that in the bag. That's the switches, little rubber piece. The only thing I forgot to order were the bullet connectors. I forgot to order some of those. It didn't come in the... I bought a kit with all the wires and stuff. It didn't come with it. Anyway, that's it for now. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I got more coming.